Who don't like cycles, especially electric cycles? There are many benefits with electric cycles. A Kolkata-based company called Motovolt is offering these electric cycles to the market from past 5 years. Currently, I am at Motovolt showroom, which is in Kukatpally, Hyderabad. So in this video, let's explore this showroom and let's see how many models Motovolt is offering in India and what are the specifications and what is its pricing. So before diving into the video, this is Aditya and you're watching Electric Vehicles India. So this is the Motovolt showroom. Here are the 3 models of electric cycles in the Motovolt. These 3 are the best-selling models. Here we have the sales executive over here. Hi sir.
Hi sir, how are you?
I am fine. Your good name please?
My Bharat sir.
Bharat. Okay, Mr. Bharat, how many models are available in the Motovolt?
So 5 models available sir.
5 models. So these 3 are the best-selling models, right?
3.
Okay, first of all, let's talk about this. So what is this called and what is the specialties of this electric cycle?
This bike is a mini electric bike sir.
Okay.
Looking this cycle, can you believe
Okay, so basically this is a conventional electric cycle but looks like an electric scooter, right?
Yes.
Okay, what are the specialties and unique selling points of this?
You are available your front mudguard.
Okay. Suspension.
Suspension, so
Okay.
pedals.
Okay, so they gave a
mudguards available.
Yeah.
Back side. Your front light.
They gave a very huge telescopic suspension with metal mudguard. So what is the tire size? It's very huge, right?
20 wheel size sir.
Okay, 20 inches wheels. At the rear side we are getting dual shock absorbers along with disc brakes on both sides. So what are the technical specifications of this?
This is a 4 modes available sir.
Okay.
So 100% pedal.
Okay.
Pedal assistant mode.
Okay.
Throttle mode.
Okay.
And cruise mode.
Okay.
This available. 4
So it
modes
has a
available.
cruise control also.
Cruise control.
Okay. Where is the battery and what's the capacity
This
of
is a
it?
lock sir.
Okay.
This is one lock. This time open this.
Okay. So the battery is under the seat,
remote
right?
battery.
Okay. So this is a portable battery. It's very portable and it's lightweight. What is the capacity of this?
20 amps battery. Sir.
Okay, it's a 20 amps.
120 kilometer range it is.
Okay, so it gives 120 kilometers range in the pedal assist or on the pure throttle mode?
Pedal assistant.
Okay.
Without pedal is to 90 kilometers.
Okay, so with throttle we'll get 90 kilometers. If we pedal, we'll get 120 kilometers only. How much time it will take to get fully charged?
In 4 hours. Sir.
In 4 hours, it gets fully charged. So this is basically a Motovolt urban electric bicycle, and the standard variant price starts from 49,999 rupees. And if you opt for Smart Plus, which gets connectivity features along with mobile app connectivity, so that will cost you 55,999. But Motovolt is offering 5,500 rupees discount on standard and 6,000 rupees discount on Smart Plus variants for a limited period time. So the effective cost of standard variant will be 44,499 and the effective cost of the Smart Plus variant will be 49,999. Let me remind you, this is the limited time offer and this urban is available in blue, yellow, white and orange colors. Is there any EMI options and
The Bajaj card is available in no cost EMI.
Right.
Further, after all credit cards are accepted.
Okay, so this is one of the unique electric cycle which I saw in the recent times, but this is a very popular model from the Motovolt. And next, let's move to this.
This is a hum model, sir.
Okay, so basically it's called hum, right?
Yeah.
This hum can carry 120 kgs of load capacity and it has a dedicated carrier at the rear. Right, what are the specialties and what is the technical specifications of this?
So front shock absorbers,
Right.
mudguard.
Okay.
Okay. Front is carrier available.
Okay.
Mudguard. The battery is removable.
Done. So the unique selling point is the suspension. At front they gave a very strong telescopic suspension, but the rear suspension is missing in it. But overall the fit and finish and the build quality of these electric bicycles are very strong, and it also comes with a portable battery pack. What's the specifications and how much range it can give?
So sir, four modes is available.
Done.
Pedal assistant mode, total mode, cruise mode, normal pedal.
Okay, what is the range?
Range is three types of batteries available.
Okay.
Okay, 6 amps, 12 amps, 16 amps.
Done,
6 amps is 45 kilometer range.
Okay.
Or
45 kilometers on pedal assist or on throttle?
Pedal assist, pedal
Done.
assist.
Okay.
It is 75 kilometers range is 12 amps.
Okay.
To 105 kilometers range is to 16 amps.
Okay, so basically this has three battery specifications in this model. Base variant can give you 45 kilometers, mid variant will give you 75, and the top end variant will give you around 100 to 105 kilometers of range. And the top speed of these three models is 25 kmph. And this is also comes with extra GPS navigation option. So there will be a special display and a dedicated app connectivity. Hum normal range standard variant price starts from 34,849 rupees. Medium range standard variant costs you 37,975 rupees, and long range standard variant costs you 41,753 rupees. Motovolt is offering up to 3,500 rupees discount on these variants for a limited period of time, and this hum is available in black, berry blue, carbon grey and orange colors. How much warranty you are offering on these three models?
1 year warranty with home servicing, with battery, motor, controller and electric items warranty including.
Okay, so let's move to the next model. And this is called Kivo, right?
Kivo.
Okay, so basically what is the difference between both these?
This carrier available, this
Okay.
is not carrier available.
Okay, so basically, right, this is for loading commercial purposes, and this can be used for personal purposes. Those who are into the cycling thing, so can use this electric cycle extensively. So are the technical specifications same in both these?
Same.
Okay, so this also comes in a three variants. Base variant give you 45 kilometers, mid variant gives you 75 kilometers, and the top end variant can give you 105 kilometers of range, and the top speed is same 25 kmph, and you will get this special display if you opt for the GPS navigation option, and you have to pay 4,000 to 5,000 rupees extra for this. So what's the base price of this electric cycle?
33,500.
Okay, so basically there is a variation of 1,000 rupees between both these.
Carrier without carrier.
Okay, done. And these two are the next two models, right? So I think these are for ladies. Okay, so those who want these kind of electric cycles, so these are also available in this Motovolt brand. Right, features are same, but the category is different, right?
The wheel size is keyboard 24, the wheel size 24.
Okay.
The wheel size is 26.
Okay. You don't need to have any license, and this is a no registration electric cycle. You can zip through traffic easily, and you don't need to wait for public transport if you own this urban electric cycle. This is a perfect vehicle for all age groups with controlled speed and easy riding. So now let's test ride both these electric e-bikes, and I'll share my opinion by riding this electric bike. Friends, currently I am riding Motovolt Urban, and currently I am in the pedal assist mode. As you can see, this electric cycle has three modes in it. So basically if you pedal 2 times, the motor will give you the third pedal push. So this is how the pedal assist work. Now let me switch to the second mode. So in the second mode it will give you some more push, and in the third mode, so basically as you can see how fast it's giving the pull. So this is how the pedal assist work. And if you don't want any pedal assist, you can switch off this motor. The motor is off right now, and you won't get any assist from the pedal now. So now it's like a basic conventional cycle. So this is how the pedal mode works. Now let me switch on the motor. So I switched on the motor on the go itself. So as you can see, now the motor is giving push. So this is how the pedal and pedal assist mode works, and the next mode is throttle mode. As you can see, there is a small throttle over here. So if you throttle the bicycle, it will go on its own without taking your help. As I am in a small incline right now, and I am in the first assist mode, so the top speed in this first mode is 15 kmph. Now let me switch to the second mode. The speed has been increased. In the second mode it can go up to 20 speed, but as I am in a hill, it's going up to 12. And let me switch to the third mode. In third mode it can go up to a top speed of 25 kmph. And it also has a cruise control. If you press and hold this minus button, this electric cycle will go into the cruise mode. As you can see, even though I am not throttling it, it's going on its own. And the braking bite of this electric cycle is so impressive. Front and rear tire is equipped with disc brakes. So the performance is top notch. So these are the 4 modes of this Motovolt urban electric bicycle. The main USPs of this electric cycle is its looks. It looks very fabulous. Basically it looks like a small electric scooter with a conventional electric cycle advantages. And the second USP is its portable battery. Basically you can detach the battery of this electric scooter and you can charge it at your home. On the throttle mode, this can give you a range of 90 kilometers on a single charge, and on the pedal assist mode it will give you 120 kilometers of range on a single charge. You can pre-book these electric cycles in the Motovolt official website, so the company will provide you home delivery. I'll give you the website and contact details of this Motovolt people in the description. If you are interested, go ahead and explore the options. Now let's ride the Motovolt Hum electric cycle. Friends, currently I am riding Motovolt Hum, which is a popular model from this Motovolt. This also has 4 modes in it. The first one is pedal mode, second one is pedal assist mode, third one is this throttle mode, and the fourth one is cruise control mode. So you can ride this electric bicycle in these 4 modes. Let me switch this to the cruise mode. So this is in the cruise mode right now. So this Motovolt Hum also has a small horn, side indicators at the rear, and in the front you will get a small LED headlamp. So basically this is for the luggage carrying people. So those who want to carry luggage on an electric bicycle can opt for this. If you don't want to carry any luggage, there is also another option available called Motovolt Kivo. So basically that can be used for personal purposes, and it's 500 to 1000 rupees affordable than this Motovolt Hum. This Hum frame is very strong, and with the help of 30 plus accessories you can convert this electric cycle into cargo cycle. Especially I love the sturdiness of this frame, and company is offering 2000 to 3500 rupees discount on this Hum electric cycle. So this is the right time to grab this electric cycle if you are interested. These are limited time offers. So this is my initial opinion on this Motovolt Hum electric bicycles. If any one of you using this electric bicycles, please let me know your opinion in the comment section. And if you found the video informative, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe Electric Vehicles India. Go green, go electric.